Mackenzie Richards. I have the stage name of the Mackman, and I like to write songs, produce, play drums, guitar, piano, all the instruments. I think my first memory was I came home from one of my friend's birthdays and had a birthday cake, and my dog was trying to eat it, and I was only like 5, so I wrote a song about that. The title was My Dog Ate My Cake.
The first talent show, didn't he? Did Gangnam Style. Yeah. And he won.
He won the talent show the next year.
And then the next year,
and the third year, he said he couldn't compete because he'd won, and they'd make him a judge. And the next year, they cancelled it all completely.
If he represented Wales in Eurovision, that would be amazing, wouldn't it?
Yeah, that'd be amazing.
His own country.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Hi. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good, thank you.
And what's your name?
Mackenzie.
Amazing, and where are you from?
Round Llandudno.
Oh, okay. Amazing. I love your style.
Yeah, thank you.
I haven't seen that logo before.
That's my own logo, it's my signature.
Oh,
and
wow.
I go by the Mackman, that's kind of my stage name.
Wow. You've got it down, boy.
So you said you're a songwriter. Are you going
Yeah.
to sing one of your songs today?
Yes.
Amazing. And what's it called?
To Fly.
To Fly.
Put me in a bow tie, leather Converse, and I look fly. Yo, baby, you know that I'm your guy. We both on point like a bullseye. Wow! Come on, baby, I want you to be mine. 3 days later, you're still in my mind. I got new pants.
Oh my gosh! I love it.
You gotta slide, slide, and glide, glide. You gotta slide, slide, and glide, glide.
She still looks.
Oh my god, she's gonna love him.
I don't need no Versace. I got my own damn style, baby. Just watch me. Show me your moves. Show me your moves. I got some tricks on my sleeve, baby. Show me your groove. Show me your moves. Show me your moves. I got some tricks on my sleeve, baby. Show me your groove. Dancing like there's nobody else. Come on, girl, you can't do it yourself. I got y'all know the rest, cause I'm too fly. Too fly. Gonna hit him with a too fly. Too fly. All right. Too fly. Too hot, too hot. Don't act like we not, because we're too fly, too fly, too fly, kill it, too fly, too fly. Get the horns.
Yes! Too fly.
I want to be you.
Do you know what I loved about that? I feel like I know the song already. Yeah. Too Fly. Too
Honestly,
fly.
you are like a mini Bruno Mars.
Yes.
I was thinking Will Smith.
Justin Timberlake.
Oh my gosh, yeah, that's all the three. Yeah.
Totally.
Man, yeah.
I really want you in my category.
I want him in my category.
Oh, there we go.
I think you've got two great mentors here.
We'll see how it goes for you, but that was fantastic. Well done.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
You've made our day.
Awesome.
Yeah.